The State Planning Board on Monday reviewed the traffic congestion in Shillong. In the meeting, different line departments like police and others gave presentation on the situation in Shillong. Chairman of the board, Manag, said that during the presentation, police department lamented the lack of manpower in managing traffic. The chairman stated that the mandate of the board is to give suggestions, but approving or disapproving those suggestions is the entitlement of the government. He also claimed that the STEM school buses somehow have improved the traffic situation. The next meeting of the board on the matter is likely to be held next month.
Immediate solutions which we came across today from the police department is basically lack of manpower. They have lack of manpower. Whatever manpower that they have been assigned as far as traffic constables are concerned, urban department have started that STEM scheme where we could see the complete of numbers which has come down from the number of vehicles supplied during that period to whatever now.
Albert Maring, a local youth from Ribhoi